Here's how you can schedule an appointment with us via Access Real. You will log into your account and click on Academics. You will then scroll down the page until you see the CTE button. Click on the CTE button and it will direct you to the Counseling Appointment menu. From the Counseling Appointment menu, click on Make Appointment and you will see the image below. Under Specialty Group Selection, you will select Business Division as your field of interest, then press Continue. Here you'll be able to make an appointment with a counselor. Click on your desired business counselor and the times and days you're available. I recommend selecting All under Counselor Name to view all available times. Next, a similar picture below will show up with your appointment search results. Click your desired appointment. And congratulations, you have now made your appointment via Access Real.